What's up, people? First off, I want to start off by giving all praises to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai. Now, these devils, man, I just woke up, y'all. I just woke up, and I've been trying to get this video started for the past, I say maybe 5 minutes now. But what you seeing on the screen is right. I seen this and I was like, yeah, we definitely on our last leg, people. But if y'all didn't know, we do live in a world full of these demonic and Satanist elites, these Edomites. So, of course, it's only right that they do some stuff like this. Excuse me, Salakia. I just woke up and my nose has got the running. It's these devils, man. But what you seeing on your screen, it says, would you eat human meat grown in the lab? Now, I read into this a few days ago. And these devils, man, these devils is talking about feeding his meat to third world countries and ending the worldwide hunger crisis by growing lab-made meat from a human stem cell. Now, I don't know about y'all, but that don't sound good at all to me. These devils, man, they sick. They want us to eat like they do. Cause you know these Edomites, these elites, these bankers and these Rothschilds and Bilderbergs, this how they eat. And they want us to eat like that. Human meat. I'm gonna go through the slideshow with y'all and just show y'all some of these devils, man. These people are sick. Now, it says biologists suggest growing human meat in labs for consumption. Now, if you recall, I don't know who really look into this stuff like that, but if you look, it's a video called Soylent Green, which is an old movie that came out a few years back, people. And what their goal was in Soylent Green was to start killing off the people who was dying and sick. And then they would burn the bodies and then they would turn them into a green Soylent, almost like think of like a Cheez-It, but it's green. And it's made out of dead humans. Now, they talk about doing that already. It's actually a news report on YouTube, but I'm talking about doing that. A guy coming out making that already. He already got donated I believe it was $8 million, and his goal was only 800,000. So, but now they doing this, people. Now they want to start growing human meat, which who knows, they could have already been started to do. You go to the grocery store, and that meat you looking at, that meat could already be human meat that was grown in a lab. Because, you know, they ain't going to just slap human meat on the label. They want to trick us and deceive us just like Satan do. Now, let me go on to the next one. Show you this devil right here. Richard Dawkins says, tissue culture, clean meat already in 2018. So that's the spirit. He said, I was just saying, they probably already doing it. Now, if this ain't good enough to scare y'all into going vegan, like I'm going to be doing soon, I don't know what will. But you know, it's going to be these sick people out here that still eat it. They going to tell people and they going to still think, they going to probably say it need more flavor or something. You know, this world is sick, full of these Edomite devils and these sick heathens. But it says, I've long been looking forward to this. What if human meat is grown? Could we overcome our taboo against cannibalism? An interesting test case for consequentialists. Now you heard him, cannibalism. These devils is sick, man. This is how they eat. You got these elites who get body parts replaced when they start harvesting our organs. And then they ain't good enough, so now they want us to eat like wild animals. So, let me go to the next one. Says, would you eat human meat grown in a lab? Controversial scientist Richard Dawkins suggests it could eradicate the taboo against cannibalism. Now see how they trying to bring all these third world country customs into the US, because there's people in these third world countries who actually do cannibalism. These tribes and stuff like that. I believe one of them is actually a African tribe. I forget the name of them. Y'all can comment that down below. I can't remember right now. But it says, clean meat products are made by harvesting stem cells from living livestock. These stem cells are then cultured in laboratory vats for a number of weeks. Dawkins asked whether the same thing could be done with human flesh. Of course he did. He said it could be an interesting test case for consequentialist morality. It's enough to make anyone vegetarian. That's the spirit. I just said that. Controversial scientist Richard Dawkins suggests that eating human meat created in a lab may help overcome. Okay, I just read that. He envisions human flesh becoming a form of clean meat, a product created using stem cells that could help feed the world without slaughtering any creatures. The renowned atheist, of course, made the comments on Twitter after posting an article about the benefits of clean meat. Now they trying to say that human meat grown in a lab from a stem cell is cleaner than a butchered animal that you can buy at the store. Now I know there's GMOs and all kinds of stuff they put in our food already. But now, who's to say what they're putting in this human meat that they're growing in a lab? So, like I said, these devils are sick, man. They want us to start eating like how they eat. And as you can clearly see, this devil right here is an atheist. So he doesn't care what goes in his body. That's why they got shows on Netflix such as the Santa Clarita Diet. Now, I don't know who still has Netflix. I don't know who has Hulu. And I used to watch both of them. I don't use it anymore. I haven't had television in like, I say maybe the 15 years. So far, like 15 years. So I don't know about this show. But I've seen stuff about it and I've heard about it before. Now, this is all just preparation for people to start eating human meat and be okay with it. It's predictive programming. Like I said, I've never watched this show, but maybe it's a lot of signs in this show that you can pick out. Now, if you people decide to start eating human flesh, this is what you'll become. And that's probably what a lot of y'all already look like inside. Y'all demons. All these people living of the world. Salakia. That's probably what y'all already look like. But this is what they wanted to come, people. This is what they want us to become. Like wild zombies. It's already people in the world that's living like zombies with their phone. So this is just bringing a whole new meaning to that. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I definitely ain't. I'd rather the Most High come get me before I get to this point. Honestly, people, the best way to probably even get around this is just become vegan. Because these devils are sick, man. They got the Soylent Green. They growing human flesh in labs now. Who knows what else they're going to be doing. But I seen this. I just wanted to bring this to y'all attention because they could already be doing this. It could be people with human flesh, meat grown in their refrigerators already feeding it to their kids. So the spirit just drove me to put this video out to y'all. Like I said, took me about 10 minutes to even open up the recorder. It was acting kind of stupid. My phone been acting stupid. I just woke up because I felt the spirit I just had to get this video off for y'all. But God bless. And once again, I want to give all praises to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai. Stay woke, people. Shalom.